Hey, I'm Zyre from Petway Travel.
And I'm Jacita from Petway Travel.
Now, we already told you about cruise insurance. We already told you about the best places to eat on a celebration.
And now we're going to tell you about our top 20 must-haves for the cruise.
Ready? Let's go. Number 20 is my gimbal. Now, most phones have a camera on it, but if you want those really good shots, if you want to vlog, actually get you a gimbal to help stabilize your camera shot so that you get all that shaking and bumping and you can vlog really nicely. Number 20.
Number 19, luggage tags. So, of course, you can do a regular paper copy and you can staple it to your luggage if you want. But if you want to make sure that your luggage gets where you want it to and that it gets to you, we always recommend getting the plastic cover. Now, different cruise ships have different sizes for their luggage tags, so you want to make sure what size your cruise uses. But get the plastic. Most importantly, make sure you get the one that has the silver ring. So that way, you know it's nice and tight and it's not going to get separated from your luggage.
Number 18 is my neck fan. Now, the Caribbean is hot. The Mediterranean is hot. Take you with a neck fan to at least cool you off and to let you really enjoy it with a little breeze.
Okay. Number 17, good old Poop-Pourri toilet spray, smell good, whatever you want to call it. This is a must-have. You know why? Because you're going to be eating. And what happens when you eat? It has to come out somehow, somewhere, sometime. You want to make sure that your room smells fresh all the time because it's small up in there. You don't want to get stuck with nothing you don't want to keep.
Now, number 16 is Wrinkle Release. Now, me personally, I never met a wrinkle I didn't like.
That's true.
Now, her, she hates all the wrinkles. So
Hate
to
it.
keep my loving coming, I use Wrinkle Release.
Really?
Exactly.
That's what it takes?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, number 15 is magnetic hooks. Now, the walls in a stateroom are metallic, and so magnetic hooks actually stick to them. So they're great for decorations and for hanging hats or hanging lanyards, even leaving notes for each other. Get you some magnetic hooks.
Number 14, good old Fanny Pack. Now, ladies, you're not going to want to carry a purse with you every day, but you do want to make sure that you have this stuff that you want when you want it with you and at hand's reach. So get a Fanny Pack. This one actually is waterproof. So whether I'm walking around the ship or if I'm even, on the beach and in the water, I can still make sure that I have what I need with me. So my lip gloss, my sanitizer, my phone, anything that's important with me that I don't want to have in my hands, I keep in my Fanny Pack. And you can get a pack of different colors so you can accessorize and coordinate throughout your trip. Sunglasses. Number 13. You got to take your shades. It's going to be bright.
That didn't work. There we go. I was supposed to be so much cooler when I did that.
It's going to be bright. It's going to be hot. You want to make sure you have your shades with you, whether you're lounging on the Lido deck, if you're on port, if you're on the excursion. You want to protect your eyes and look good at the same time. Now, if you're like me, I will say sometimes I can forget my sunglasses. So you may want to get a cheap pair so that if you happen to leave them somewhere, your heart's not broken and you don't mind losing them or having to replace them.
And so do me a favor, so you can get all the outtakes and laugh at me all day long. Like and subscribe.
All right. Number 12, is a hat. Again, we're going to the Caribbean. We're going to where it's hot, where it's sunny, where it's beautiful, but you want to make sure that you keep yourself as cool as possible. So bring a hat, protect your head. Now, guys, that bald head, you want to make sure you don't get sunburned. And ladies, you just want to make sure that your shoulders are nice and covered. So be cute. Get something with different colors. This comes in a pack of 4 different colors. So again, I love to coordinate. I love to accessorize. Be cute and functional at the same time.
Number 11, Dramamine. Now, I don't care what you take. If you don't like medicine, get you a neck patch, get you a C-band, get something. Because if you get on that ship, it was better to be safe than sorry. Have some protection for that seasickness because it is a monster.
Now, also with the Dramamine, you want to make sure that you take it before you need it, because you want to make sure that you have it in your system and that it doesn't have to catch up, because nobody has time to be sick. That just ruins your whole vacation. All right. So, shoe organizer is number 10. And you may say, why would I take a shoe organizer? Well, because your stateroom is small, your counter space is limited, and you want to make sure that you can keep your room as nice and tidy as you can. So, we use a shoe organizer. Like Zaire said earlier, the rooms are made of metal. So, another use for your magnetic hooks is for your shoe organizer. So, you can hang it on the wall and not use up precious closet space. But we put all of our toiletries in there. Sometimes you put your jewelry, anything that you know that you're going to use on a regular basis. Just have it in those shoe organizers so you can grab it, use it, and put it back and go on about your business.
Number 9, sunscreen. Now, she says she likes being cute. I like when she's cute. I don't like when she's burnt. We need sunscreen so we can stay cute and not stay burnt.
You're so silly.
Sometimes I am.
Number 8, ladies, is the silk pillowcase.
Hold on. I don't let bonnets in my house.
Why?
I don't let bonnets in my house.
Anywho, before I was so really interrupted, your silk pillowcase, ladies. We spend money to be nice and crisp on our trip to make sure our hair looks good, and we want to protect it and protect your investment. And so I use the pillowcase so that as I'm tossing and turning at night, my hair's not getting pulled, it's not getting fuzzy, and when I wake up, it's as nice and fresh as when I went to bed. Number 7 are your water shoes. Everybody needs these. You want to make sure that you are protecting your feet. You are going to be going to the beach. Some of them are nice and sandy. Some of them have rocks in it. When you go to the ocean, you don't really know if there are going to be rocks there. So you want to make sure that your feet are protected. We recommend getting water shoes that have the hard bottom to it so that no matter what surface you're on, you know that you have a good grip. You're going to be able to be safe and protected. And if you like me, I wear these on the ship because they're comfortable and they're cute. So if I want to just walk around the Lido deck or if I want to get in the pool, I have my shoes on and I'm protected at all times.
All right, now we're getting to the meat and potatoes, the stuff I don't go anywhere without. Now, if you see me, you're going to see me with my tumbler.
You're going to have a cup.
I'm going to have a cup. Now, this is our tumbler from our group cruise we did in May. If you want to know about the one we're doing next year, I'll leave a QR code here at the bottom. But you need a tumbler because those cups on those ship are fit for a 7-year-old. And as you can see, I'm not 7. Get you a tumbler. Keep your drinks cold. Number 5, right here. Now, this is like me and Linus and his blanket. You're not going to see me without a book bag on. I'm going to have a book bag on. I'm going to be walking wherever I am. I got my book bag. Now, for y'all, some of y'all don't got a Browns book bag. So y'all not as cool as me. Y'all team not that good. We're going to win Super Bowl this year. The Browns. Let's go, baby.
The book bag is also good for you going on excursions. So if you want to put your towels, your sunscreen, the things that you just want to have in your hands or in your pockets, you can have in your book bag. All right.
Now, this is the lifeblood of a cruise. This is your lanyard that holds your sign and sell card. Now, when I say it's your lifeblood, you can't go in your room, you can't get a drink, you can't buy anything on the ship without your selling sign card.
You can't get off the ship.
You can't get off the ship. Get you a lanyard so your selling sign card with you is always with you.
Now, number 3 is a phone charger. And also, I have this attached to a power bank because when you're traveling, you want to make sure that you have the communication that you need. So your cell phone can always be charged. Now, remember, when you get on the ship, once you pull away from port, you can't make phone calls. You can't do text messages. So you need your phone so you can use the app so that you can get all the information for your dining, for your different shows that you may want to see, trivia, comedy, whatever it is. And this is going to be the way that you communicate with your family or friends is through the Hub app. So you want to make sure that your phone is charged at all times. So must have. Don't leave without it. Number 2 is your passport. So can you get on this ship without the passport? Yes. Should you? No. You can use your ID, you can use your birth certificate, but why make things harder when they don't have to? Get your passport. When you're getting off that ship and you see the passport line and the birth certificate line, you're going to want your passport. So use this, get in, get off as quick as you can. Just don't leave home without it. Just go ahead and get it.
And if you happen to be a pier runner and you get stuck in a foreign country,
you're going to want this.
Let you get back in the USA a little faster.
Yeah.
All right. Now, here is the most important thing that I take with me whenever I'm on a cruise, whenever I'm out of town, all the time, is my pill organizer. Mm-hmm. From the way my knees are set up, it tells me that I'm old and I need my pills. Keep your pill organizer with you. I actually take 2. I take a backup one in case one of them gets lost because I cannot survive without my pills. Get you a pill organizer.
Because you need your pills.
Now, like always, I'm going to give you a pro tip. But before I do, the entire list is available at petwaytravel.com. What you do is you go to the menu in the top right corner, select Cruise Must-Haves, and then you see the top 20 in the drop-down menu. Now let's go with the pro tip. Get a tote and put all your cruise things in after you're done cruising. Because when you call me next time for your cruise, you already be ready. Check out these videos next.